Once upon a time, a battle was going on in Japan. One army was greatly outnumbered by army men of the enemy. The general of the army with a small number of soldiers was confident that they could win that battle, and decided to launch an attack. He called upon his lieutenant and asked him to prepare soldiers for the next battle. The lieutenant called all the soldiers and announced the general's decision. Army men were ready to battle, but they were filled with doubt, knowing that they were fewer than other army men. As commanded by the general, the next day, the lieutenant and all the soldiers were all prepared to launch an attack on the enemy. The general knew about the doubts of soldiers. So on their way to battle, the general made a stop at a religious shrine. After everyone prayed, the general stood in front of all the army men, with a coin in his hand, and said,
"I shall now toss this coin. If it is head, we shall win. If tail, we shall lose. Destiny will now reveal itself."
As the general threw the coin into the air, all watched intently as it landed on the ground. It was head. The soldiers were overjoyed and were filled with confidence. They continued their way to battle. On the battleground, they vigorously attacked the enemy. In the end, they won the battle. After the battle, the lieutenant congratulated the general and remarked,
"We won. No one can change destiny."
"Quite right,"
the general replied, as he showed the lieutenant the coin, which had heads on both sides. Moral: if you question yourself and your abilities, then you are holding yourself back from happiness and success. Having confidence and encouragement can lead to more positive results. Rather than doing any task, keeping doubts in mind